Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Onica Layne and today I'm going to show you guys how to get this makeup look. This is a nice, simple, easy, glossy lid look. It's super hot outside right now and soon it's going to be officially summer. So I decided why not do this makeup tutorial, why not do this makeup video, because I was inspired by summer coming up and I thought that this was a nice fun makeup look to do. So I hope you guys enjoy this. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna get right into the video so you guys can see how I achieve this look. Okay guys, so my brows is already done. I already applied primer, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation. So I'm gonna go in with this NARS foundation and this Smashbox foundation here. This is the Smashbox Studio Skin Foundation. This is in the shade 4.3, and this is the NARS, I'm not even sure what this NARS foundation, All Day Luminous Foundation. And this is in the shade Dark 3. And I'm going to mix these two foundation up together and apply it to my skin. Absolutely love the combination between these two foundation. I feel like this NARS foundation is way too orange for me. It just looks orange as I put it on, and I don't really like it on its own. So I mix it with the Smashbox foundation because I feel like the Smashbox foundation is a little too dark for me. So I mix them together and it's really a nice combination, and that's what I've been loving. So I'm going to go ahead and apply these to my face. So using this Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C13, I'm going to go ahead and prime my lids. Just going to use a little bit. So I'm not going to set that concealer. I'm going to go in with the eyeshadows I'm going to use for this look. I'm not sure what I'm going to go for, so whatever this looks turn out to be is going to look like. I'm not going to do anything too crazy since I'm going to do a glossy lid. So I'm going to keep it pretty simple. I'm probably going to use a little browns and stuff like that to create this eye look. So let's go into our palettes and see what look we can create with this glossy lid tutorial. Okay, so using the mascara palette from Juvia's Place, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And this is called Burkinia. It's called Burkinia. And I'm going to use this as my transition shade. Using this Morphe M433 brush, I'm going to go in with Burkia. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. So the shades that I'm adding right now into my crease is called Abba and Zulu from the same mascara palette. I'm just going to pack that into my crease and blend that out. So with that transition shade, I'm going to go back in and I'm going to blend out the crease color and the transition shade. So next, I'm going to go in with the Sigma E57 Firm Shader Brush. And I'm gonna go in with this middle shade right here, this shade right here. And I'm gonna apply that to the lid. Let's see how that looks. I'm not sure how that's gonna look, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. So I'm gonna also pick up that shade Casablanca right under it and apply it with that same orange shade and apply it all together so it has like a little gold sheen. Okay guys, so I have some lip gloss on the back of my hand. I have this brush here. This is the Sigma Cream Color E58 brush. So I'm gonna go in and dip some of that what do you call it, lip gloss, because this is a glossy lid look. And I'm just gonna go apply that to my lids. Okay guys, it's already applying lip gloss to my eyes to create the glossy lid effect. This is it. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up my makeup. I'm going to go ahead and apply my concealer. I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Concealer in the shade Deep, as I always do. And yeah. Okay guys, so this is it for the video. This is my glossy lid makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And if you guys do, don't forget to click those thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.